how to set paths for AlphaCAD. When AlphaCAD is installed on your C drive, then 1. Start AutoCAD. 2. Run upload command and select alphapaths.lsp file. Click on load, and then close button. 3. At workspace select AlphaCAD 2014. A new panel is added with all AlphaCAD commands. All changes are made automatically and saved in AlphaCAD 2014 profile. All your profiles are saved and you can switch profiles at any time. Restart AutoCAD with AlphaCAD profile current. Note that in case you started AutoCAD with current profile set other than AlphaCAD 2014, to work with AlphaCAD commands, then in Options dialog select AlphaCAD 2014 profile, set it current and restart AutoCAD. Before uninstalling AlphaCAD, please set your profile current. Enjoy AlphaCAD.